Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Disney Plus not available in your country or region with simple methods. First, this message appears when Disney Plus is not officially supported in your location or your network is showing a different region. Start by checking if the service is available in your country through the official Disney Plus website. If it is available but still not working, make sure your device location and region settings are set correctly. Sometimes incorrect settings can trigger this error. Next, check your internet connection and avoid using VPN or proxy services because Disney Plus may block access if it detects unusual locations. Also, clear your app cache or browser data and restart the app to remove any stored location errors. If you recently traveled, try logging out and logging back in after reconnecting to your local network. Finally, update the app to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. And that's how you can fix this problem and access Disney Plus properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.